Here we have two batteries, a larger one and a smaller one. Both of them are lithium batteries. The difference is that this is an 18650 type and the other one it's an 18500 type. 18500. Okay, what that number means: 18 is the diameter, 18 millimeters, and that 65 is 65 millimeters the length, 6.5 centimeters. Okay, the other one it's a bit smaller. It has not 65 millimeters but only 50 millimeters in length, or with another word, 5 centimeters is the length of the battery. The diameter is the same, 18 millimeters. Another thing is the top. So the positive side has a button and this one does not have a button. So that's a button top and that's a flat top battery. The negative is flat on both of them. Nothing special is there. This has holes for venting. Gas can escape there in case of a short circuit, for example. There is no such thing visible on that one. Okay, the voltage is identical, 3.7 volts and 3.7 volts here also. The milliamp hour is 1600. This one is exaggerated, do not believe that one. It's not 5000 milliamp hours, but let's say 1800 maybe. Okay, so that's the positive with the button, and then the negative that is flat. Negative and positive. Both of them are lithium-ion batteries.